gotta make it to the post office, which is right there on my right. Holy shit, a Rolls Royce. That is sick. That is so sick. Nice. Oh, it is extremely hot. It's supposed to hit a high of 114 today, not 214. We'd be dying, literally. But 114 degrees. And I decided to ride a fucking motorcycle today! And I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. It's fine. It's fine. Full gear as, you know, per the usual. But, oh brother. Oh brother, is it toasty. It is toasty indeed. Ooh, bumpy, bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. All right. All right. All right, camera's coming off. That was a quick little trip. Oh, but I'll be back once I'm done. If I could get my flipping helmet off. I left my gloves here. Alright. Bag is secured. Got that there. Oh, you know what? Let me put my mask on. Now that I'm United States Post Office. Alright. Whipping that Ranger. Whipping the Ranger. I'm whipping a range. She said the same, yo. She said the same, yo. Whipping a range, yo. Yo. Alright. We are locked in. Let me make sure all of my zippers are zipped, yeah. Zippers are zipped. Alright, we are good to go. So it looks like there's a fucking haboob right there. A dust storm. I don't know how that's gonna go, riding in a dust storm. But you know what? There's only one way to find out, baby. Fuel is a little low, not too low. Alright. Oh. Try to get away from these motherfuckers. Motherfluffers. Am I recording? Oh yeah, we recording. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Chilling in the morning, the pouring rain. Da-da-da, da-da-da. They're probably gonna get the arrow first, but not. Little C6. Bottle of piss. Oh shit. Oh jeez. I gotta get behind a fucking dump truck merging onto the highway. Not a fan. So that's a hazard I don't like. This guy just says, shit, I don't know what it is, but it's just hanging out that trailer. Sketchy, sketchy. I want to get away from that. Yo! ha ha! Ha ha ha! Chuck Nation. This is fucking gnarly, bro! Holy shit! This is definitely the windiest and hottest day I've rode before. It ain't terrible, but oh brother, it is hot. It is hot. Oh, there we go. Gotta get that sail going. Oh. Look at all this shit in the sky, bro. Oh, there's hella traffic heading in. Might want to take the main it's 2 miles though. It's only 2 miles. I think we'll be good. I'll just take her slow. I'm chilling. My ankles are burning up because my pants that I have are like slightly too short, so my ankles are showing, and it's kind of weird because I have a tan ring around my around my ankles, but it's like extra toasty, and I don't know if it's the motor toasting it up or if it's just the heat. It's got to be the motor. There ain't much sun to beat on them today. We're running at 217. We're running a little toasty. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Whoa! That's fucking gnarly, bro! Oh shit! Bro, I'm using my leg as a sail like a motherfucker right now. Holy shit. Oh, this is fucking crazy. This shit is wild. It's kind of fun though. Jeez, that wind was gnarly, bro. What the hell? Yeah, I'm definitely like burning my ankle. For sure. My ankle is hurting really bad, which isn't good. But fuck it, we ball, right? Fuck it, we ball. Oh, that wind is fucking gnarly, bro. Fuck. Oh yeah, we are low on the fuel. Low on the fuel. Please pay inside. Brother. Alright, Come on, too hot. It's too hot. Oh, I don't have my fucking gloves on. Shit. That breeze is nice though. Oh, brother. Oh no. The fuck? Kickstand is down. Oh no. Oh no. Damn. Hold up. Alright, camera keeps overheating, but I don't know if I got it, but the bike was struggling to start. She seems fine now though, which is good. Oh, there's fucking oil that I slipped on. Slipped on some fucking oil. Should be my turn now. Is this guy going straight? He might be. Do I get an arrow here? Oh, I do.